anybody tó máa fẹ́ pè wá tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ pè wá pé bóyá wọ́n fẹ́ interview àbí kán bá ká gbé ọjà wá fún wọn so kán pè Mrs. Grace Drojaye so 081 67 30 40 66.
If government come here, if government want help us, we want make this place dey like real market, you know. We see all the ground, we go do am well, you know, so that all these dirty way they see so no go dey here, you know, like those gutters now, you know, they go do am well so that water go fit dey go well, you know. So if we see government, we go fit come help us do this place, make it fine. We go be like big fufu market. Nah, that one I want. At least that one we go fit do as we like for you. No, the people where they follow us work for here, we they train them more. Like me, where you see so. The person see me for outside now, he go agree say nah fufu I dey sell. Except the person follow me come here. So people they follow us work for here like this now, we they train them. I know we dey very neat for here. You know, we make sure say we teach them as they go take do the work for here. You know, the person won't cook for kitchen now. You suppose do the place well. Wear better shoe, wear better clothes. No, we just do anyhow.
No be lie say this kajad food wey be fufu so dey give energy and strength to anybody wey dey chop am steady sake of say na carbohydrate food, that is the goodness wey dey inside wey dey give plenty energy and strength. But wait oh, if you be person wey dey chew this fufu every time, you go see say one thing dey wey make am different from other kind of food. And that thing be say the aroma wey dey comot from inside fufu so. This aroma strong sotey even if you don wash your hand finish wey you take chop the fufu so, sometimes the aroma go still dey for inside your hand. And no be everybody dey like this aroma make e dey smell from their hand or even from their mouth after they don chop fufu finish.
Before we reach the level where it is so, we go need to go farm, go collect cassava. When we don't collect them, now that day we fit soak them, because if we reach the following day, it fit turn black. As we don't collect them, we go peel them, come soak them. But we go need to leave and make it soak for like 4 or 5 days, sha. Because now when you don't soak well, now we will come grind them. When we don't grind them, we will come put them inside bag. We will put them inside water, rinse all the bad water come out before we come put them for inside sifter. But when we see say the water don't come out, all the bad water don't come out, we will come put them inside bag. So that the water we dey for inside them will come out through the sack. We go make sure say as the cassava dey inside the bag, we go make sure say we squeeze all the water come out. Once all the water don't come out like that, now to come the measure and the put for inside paint rubber. One paint rubber na like 700 naira. As we collect them like that, to turn them, we go need to put water inside, turn them together, so that it go easy for us to take turn them for inside bowl. But before we use the bowl, we go need to take oil rub the pot so that e no go for burn. And na so once we don put am like that, we go start to dey turn am. Once we turn am finish, na to chop am remain o. Na to get correct egusi soup wey go take chop am.
Better people wey dey watch me so, if you dey plan to enter that mama put, abi na even better and correct restaurant, or na for your house you wan take cook am, make you know say before that fufu reach that level so, na plenty work enter inside to make am dey ready for man pikin to take chop am. But as countryman go take talk am now, any which way na way, fufu na our own kind of food, and we as Naija people go everly dey chop am. This na Naija life, and my name na Kabuchi. Una do.
Fufu na our own kind of food, and when you don reach this point so why dey turn am so, na im be say yes, e don done, e don jino, e don reach to chop. My name na Kabuchi, and this na Naija life. Na our mothers and even our fathers dey do this kind of thing every single day unto say yes, turning of fufu on top fire na our lifestyle, and we no go shame about am. This na Naija life, and my name one more time na Kabuchi. Una do.
Anywhere you dey for the world, Naija na home. Our fine culture, lifestyle, food, passion, Naija na still we own. As day dey break, the Naija spirit go wake, and wey day don dark, and you think say na to sleep remain, na that time the groove just dey start. Because no matter wetin happen, the Naija spirit no go die. This na Naija life.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.